Look at your nails right now. Are they breaking, peeling, ridged, thin, slow to grow? Most people over 60 assume this is just aging. They buy expensive nail hardeners, they try different polishes, they soak in oils, and nothing works. Because they are treating the surface of a problem that is happening deep inside their body. Here is what your doctor probably never told you. Brittle, breaking, ridged nails after 60 are not a cosmetic issue. They are a biological warning signal. Your nails are literally showing you that something critical is missing inside your body, something that is not just affecting your nails but is quietly damaging your bones, your nerves, your immune system, and your heart at the exact same time. And the reason most people never fix it is because they are looking for the answer in the wrong place. In the next 10 minutes I am going to tell you the number one vitamin deficiency that destroys nails after 60, exactly why this deficiency becomes almost inevitable as we age, the 4 warning signs in your nails that most people completely ignore, and precisely how to reverse it, starting today. I need you to watch this entire video because what I am going to show you in the last 3 minutes could genuinely change your health in ways that go far beyond your nails. Welcome to Health Quantum Sphere, the channel where we use real peer-reviewed science to help you live longer, feel better, and protect the people you love. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button right now and tap the bell. We post science-backed health content every single week and this community is growing fast. I am so glad you found this video. Now let us talk about what is actually happening to your nails after 60, and why the answer is not in any nail product on the market. Why nails change after 60? Your nails are not just dead tissue sitting on top of your fingers. They are living structures made primarily of a protein called keratin, and they are manufactured inside your body using vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that must be present in adequate amounts for nails to grow strong, smooth, and healthy. When you are young, your body absorbs nutrients efficiently, your hormones support strong tissue growth, and your nails reflect that health, growing fast, staying smooth, remaining strong. But after 60 everything changes. Your stomach produces significantly less acid, which means your ability to absorb vitamins and minerals from food drops dramatically. Your kidney function slows, affecting how your body activates certain critical vitamins. Your hormones shift, removing the protective effects that kept your skin, hair, and nails strong for decades. And your digestive system overall becomes less efficient at extracting what it needs from the food you eat. The result is that millions of Americans over 60 are walking around severely deficient in the exact nutrients their nails and bodies need, even people who eat well and take care of themselves. Because the problem is not always what you are eating. It is what your body is no longer able to absorb. The number one deficiency, biotin and the B vitamin family. The number one vitamin deficiency destroying nails after 60 is biotin, also known as vitamin B7. And before you say you have heard of biotin, I want you to stay with me. Because what most people do not understand is why biotin becomes so critically deficient specifically after 60, what it is actually doing inside your body, and why the standard advice about biotin is completely wrong for people in this age group. Biotin is the master vitamin for keratin production. Keratin is the protein your nails are made of. Without adequate biotin your body literally cannot build strong nail structure. It is like trying to build a wall without cement. The materials are there but they have nothing to hold them together. A study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that patients with brittle nails who were given biotin supplementation showed a 25% increase in nail thickness and a significant reduction in nail splitting and breaking after just 6 months. 25% thicker nails from correcting one deficiency. But here is what makes this so critical after 60 specifically. Your gut microbiome, the community of bacteria living in your intestines, is one of the primary producers of biotin in your body. When you are young your gut bacteria manufacture significant amounts of biotin that your body uses directly. But after decades of antibiotic use, processed food consumption, stress, and the natural aging of the gut, your microbiome produces dramatically less biotin than it did at 30 or 40. This means even if you are eating biotin-rich foods you may not be getting nearly enough, because the manufacturing plant inside your gut has slowed down. The 4 nail warning signs you must know. Before we go further I want to show you the 4 specific nail warning signs that tell you this deficiency is already happening in your body. Warning sign number 1, longitudinal ridges. These are vertical lines running from the base of your nail to the tip. Some ridging is normal with age, but pronounced deep ridges that feel like grooves are a classic sign of biotin and B vitamin deficiency affecting keratin structure. Warning sign number 2, peeling layers. If your nails are peeling in thin horizontal layers from the tip, this is called onychoschizia and it directly indicates inadequate keratin binding, a biotin deficiency signature. Warning sign number 3, extremely slow growth. Healthy nails grow approximately 3 mm per month. If your nails seem to barely grow or break before they reach any length, your body is not producing adequate keratin, which requires biotin. Warning sign number 4, pale or white nail beds. While this can indicate several conditions, combined with brittleness and slow growth, it often signals not just biotin deficiency but also iron and B12 deficiency, which after 60 frequently occur together because they share the same absorption pathways that decline with age. If you have 2 or more of these warning signs, your body is telling you something important right now. The second critical deficiency, vitamin D3. Now I said the number 1 deficiency, but the truth is there is almost always a second deficiency working alongside biotin to destroy nail health after 60. And this one shocks most people. Vitamin D3. Most people think of vitamin D as a bone vitamin. But vitamin D receptors exist in nail matrix cells, the cells responsible for producing your nails. When vitamin D is deficient, nail matrix cells do not receive the signaling they need to produce healthy, dense keratin. Research published in the journal Skin Pharmacology and Physiology found a direct correlation between vitamin D deficiency and nail brittleness, abnormal nail shape, and slow nail growth in adults over 55. And here is the alarming part. The National Institute of Health estimates that over 42% of American adults are vitamin D deficient. But among adults over 60 that number climbs dramatically, because your skin becomes significantly less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight as you age. A 70-year-old skin produces up to 75% less vitamin D from the same sun exposure as a 20-year-old. You can eat well, you can spend time outside, and you can still be severely vitamin D deficient after 60, simply because your body's production system has slowed down. The 4 nail warning signs you must know. Before we go further, I want to show you the 4 specific nail warning signs that tell you this deficiency is already happening in your body. Warning sign number 4, pale or white nail beds. While this can indicate several conditions, combined with brittleness and slow growth, it often signals not just biotin deficiency but also iron and B12 deficiency, which after 60 frequently occur together because they share the same absorption pathways that decline with age. If you have 2 or more of these warning signs, your body is telling you something important right now. The second critical deficiency, vitamin D3. Now I said the number 1 deficiency, but the truth is there is almost always a second deficiency working alongside biotin to destroy nail health after 60. And this one shocks most people. Vitamin D3. Most people think of vitamin D as a bone vitamin. But vitamin D receptors exist in nail matrix cells, the cells responsible for producing your nails. When vitamin D is deficient, nail matrix cells do not receive the signaling they need to produce healthy, dense keratin. Research published in the journal Skin Pharmacology and Physiology found a direct correlation between vitamin D deficiency and nail brittleness, abnormal nail shape, and slow nail growth in adults over 55. And here is the alarming part. The National Institute of Health estimates that over 42% of American adults are vitamin D deficient. But among adults over 60 that number climbs dramatically, because your skin becomes significantly less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight as you age. A 70-year-old skin produces up to 75% less vitamin D from the same sun exposure as a 20-year-old. You can eat well, you can spend time outside, and you can still be severely vitamin D deficient after 60, simply because your body's production system has slowed down. The third piece, collagen and silica. The third element most people completely miss is collagen and the mineral silica. Your nails sit inside a nail bed made of connective tissue that requires collagen for structural integrity. After 60, collagen production drops by approximately 1% every year, and this affects not just your skin and joints but the structural bed your nails grow from. Silica, a trace mineral found in foods like cucumbers, oats, and leafy greens, is essential for collagen synthesis and keratin cross-linking. Without adequate silica, your nail structure becomes porous and weak even if your biotin and vitamin D levels are adequate. A study in the archives of dermatological research found that women who supplemented with orthosilicic acid, a bioavailable form of silica, for 20 weeks showed significant improvements in nail brittleness and surface quality compared to placebo. How to reverse it, the complete protocol. Now let me give you the complete, science-based protocol to reverse nail damage from these deficiencies. Step 1. Biotin. The clinically studied dose for nail improvement is 2.5 mg, or 2,500 micrograms, daily. Take it with a meal containing healthy fat for best absorption. Food sources highest in biotin include eggs, especially egg yolks, salmon, sweet potatoes, sunflower seeds, and almonds. Step 2. Vitamin D3. After 60, most people need 2,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily, but the only way to know your exact level is a simple blood test called 25-hydroxyvitamin D. Ask your doctor for this test. Always take D3 with K2. Vitamin K2 ensures the calcium that vitamin D mobilizes goes into your bones and not into your arteries. Step 3. Collagen. 10 grams of hydrolyzed collagen peptides daily, added to coffee, smoothies, or water. Studies show measurable improvement in nail growth and brittleness within 24 weeks of consistent collagen supplementation. Step 4. Silica-rich foods. Add cucumbers, oats, brown rice, and leafy greens to your daily diet. These provide the silica your body needs for keratin cross-linking and collagen synthesis. Step 5. Gut health. Because biotin production depends on your gut microbiome, a daily probiotic containing lactobacillus and bifidobacterium strains will help restore the gut bacteria responsible for biotin synthesis. This is the step most people skip, and it is often the most important one for people over 60. How long before you see results? I want to give you honest, realistic expectations. Nails grow slowly, approximately 3 mm per month. This means changes in nail quality take time to appear because you have to wait for new nail to grow in. Most people following this complete protocol see initial improvement in nail texture and reduced peeling within 6 to 8 weeks. Significant improvement in nail thickness and strength appears around the 3 to 4 month mark. Full results, where the entire nail has grown in with the new nutrient support, take approximately 6 months. Consistency is everything here. Taking supplements for 3 weeks and stopping will not produce lasting results. This is a long-term commitment to giving your body what it needs, and the results, when you get them, are permanent as long as you maintain the habit. Now I want to hear from you. Do you have any of the 4 warning signs I described? Have you tried biotin before, and did it work or not work for you? Drop a comment below. I read every single one and your experience could genuinely help someone else watching this video. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up right now. It takes 1 second and it helps this information reach the millions of people over 60 who need it but have never seen it. Please share this video with every woman and man over 60 in your life. Your mother, your aunt, your friend, anyone dealing with brittle nails who has been told it is just aging and there is nothing they can do about it. There is something they can do. And now they know what it is. If you are not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Every single week I bring you honest science-backed health information that can genuinely change your life. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. And I will see you in the next video, right here on Health Quantum Sphere.